Sub-Zero's new built-in refrigerators feature a microbiological system that scrubs the air of bacteria, mold, and viruses. The air purification cartridge will last for approximately 1 year. An indicator will flash in the control center display panel when the filter needs to be replaced. To replace the cartridge, take hold of the outside cover from the bottom and pull it forward. It will flip up and expose another flap and the cartridge. Pull the flap forward from the top, which will cause the cartridge to pop out of position. To replace, put the new cartridge into place with the connector pointing down. Once in place, close the flap until you hear a click. Then, flip down the outside cover until it closes against the wall. Once the air purification cartridge has been replaced, press the Pure Air keypad on the control center for 5 seconds. This will reset the air purification indicator and it will no longer be displayed. Replacement cartridges can be purchased online at subzerowolfstore.com.